Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of mutiny and qualified mutiny. What is mutiny? Mutiny is the unlawful resistance to a superior officer or the raising of commotions and disturbances on board a ship against the authority of its commander. Ito ay paglaban sa nakakataas na opisyal o paghihimagsik o pagsisimula ng gulo sa loob ng barko laban sa karapatan o kapangyarihan ng komandante. What is the purpose of mutiny? The purpose is not gain, but it may be to voice displeasure, opposition, disobedience to the policies, rules or regulations enforced by the captain. Ang mutiny ay ginagawa hindi para magnakaw, kundi ipahayag ang saloobin, pagtutol o pagsuway sa mga patakaran o alituntunin na pinapatupad ng kapitan ng barko. The mutineers may however seize the ship in order to enforce their will or to have their way, but the primary purpose is not gain. Ang pagsakop sa vessel ay hindi para magnakaw, pero ito yung way nila para pakinggan o sundin sila. Next, place of commission. Sa high seas lang ba? Mutiny is committed in the high seas and in the Philippine waters. The amendment brought about by Republic Act No. 7659 also includes the crime of mutiny and not just the crime of piracy. Next, who are the offenders of the crime of mutiny? The offenders are either the crew themselves or the passengers. Kailan naman qualified ang mutiny? The crime of mutiny is qualified by: first, when the offenders abandon the victims without means of saving themselves, or second, when it is accompanied by rape, murder, homicide, or physical injuries. Take note that the first qualifying circumstance in qualified piracy is not applicable in mutiny, since in mutiny, the offenders are already on board on the vessel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.